If you are in search for a short hike with big payoff, look no further than the Beehive Trail in Acadia National Park. The trailhead can be found opposite side of the road of the parking lot of Sand Beach. And during the busiest parts of the season, it's best to come early, because in a couple of hours, there's going to be a line of parked vehicles here stretching out around a mile. Technically, the first 0.2 miles of the hike is on the Bowl Trail. It doesn't take too long before you'll see the sign for the Beehive Trailhead. It might be well for you to read the listed warnings associated with this trail. Trail markers lead you through a series of switchbacks. As short as this hike is, it is a robust workout. It's best to go your own pace. And if you're afraid of heights, forget about it. The switchbacks become more frequent further along, and the trail more steep. Take advantage of the still rungs available. Mind your surroundings. There's plenty of things around here to twist your foot on. It's straight up at this point, and it's steep. There is a great view at this point, but we're still not at the top. The summit is 520 feet above sea level, and I've earned a rest. There is a whole lot to explore here, but I don't want to spoil everything for you. Around 8 o'clock, the traffic starts to pick up. Do remember that the animals inside the park are wild. Yes, the pilgrimage has begun. If you're considering the Beehive, I've added more information inside the description box.